Miss, me have to take down the wire a while ago because GPS a come through a thiefing like me have. So me have to take it down so you know the internet kinda down. So anything you post, any work you post, me make him do it when the light go.
Look at my face, bro. Every day I smile. Because I know what you.
You told me I should explore and try new things in life, right?
If you friggin' explore and try new things in life, but not on my blood clot car, bitch. Not on my car.
I did have fun though. I'm not gonna lie. It was
Listen,
my
come out of my car. Me that business what kind of fun no I have. No come out of my car.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay.
Yo, Bumbaclot, you see this thing? INCV. Yo, the front face.
My wife just said this to me. I'm pretty sure she's talking trash. What does it mean?
Okay, so it's you can't see, you not see,
It's rich. When I say it what? Rich. Turn around. Look there.
Yeah.
Go with John Crow. Go with John Crow. Go with John Crow.
Come out of my business. You're in my business. This is no longer your business. Go mind your business. Get your own business and mind your business and come out of my business.
What do to you? Him put your hand on you?
No, I me put me on him.
You put your hand on him?
Yeah.
So you put your hand on him and you cry, mama?
Yeah, because him dead.
First of all, I don't understand why you screaming and hollering. That's why I can't.
And the warriors, what up to my family, my foes and my friends? What up to my warriors who holding out the ends? What up, friend for real, them dwelling in the bench? Got to make it go, we got to make the Benjamins. What up, this is our Indian dance and terrorists. Worship and watches are not just memories. A friend for real.
I make a draft my Bible, I make a draft my Florida water, I make a draft my incense and my myrrh, and I have to go about it, I never forget the blood clot coming out and kill it, stroke a blood clot, somebody dirty man here, somebody man that like take care of girl, and then like man girl and them love big fuck and big picture. If you don't take care of me, oh me I go fix up myself, look good. If you don't send me no money and treat me good, oh me I go take care of myself, look good for entertain you, it now go work.
You said me a mad and the bumble will not stop for and I me come out! Fuck a gali dong.
Said every yard man.
No sir, me not go down that street there. No, why for that?
You really can't take Jamaicans nowhere.
Bang, you get paid, ha. Bang, bang, yeah, bang, yeah, bang, bang. When I mean you are solamente paid, ha. Bang, yeah, bang, 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 bang. You get paid, ha. Bang, bang, yeah, bang, yeah, bang, bang. When I mean you are.
Hurting, oh, cause they say I'm flirting, oh no, you just can't take it anymore. You asked me for some time to clear your mind. I stayed away, it hurt so much without your touch. Now I'm back and you say just a little bit longer, baby, cause my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head a love song plays for you and me.
For that joke aside now, big man say I'm done with it all laughing, I'm done with all foolishness. You know, so I'm looking at everything, I have to stop do this. Jaja. You say that's kind of man you really want me.
Where you have to stop though?
Sure. I have to stop clowning out myself, man. Every day I just get up and make the people them exercise them jawbones. And people just laugh and kill off themselves. I have to stop that. For true, that's why the man really want to have to hold it now. Because I walk a clown up. No, I have to stop for true, man. No, I stop for true. I mean, I do them something I have to stop, man. For true. No, I stop. It's a bit of
life nice, then me coulda want go 6 feet. You crazy, no dove cut to the library.
Yeah, no meda rest.
No meda rest. No family plan.
Yeah.
Life well.
Oh, yes, sir.
No worm I eat out the dolly eye bar. No rock number one blood clot and no dirt on the blood clot dolly skin. Oh, my street airborne disease. Oh.
Tell the boy moving fruit now, and say it never drop, not drop. Remember me live off a boy? Remember good.
Head top. Boom! One some fuck.
Big old blood clot waft dog, you're supposed to soon 100 and blood clot 5. Leave us young folks a blood clot low.
Hey, you, time boom boom, yeah. Loving your skin out from a fuck you. Love to do the video, them with you. Baby, come wind up, come show, say you love me.
Your pussy good, you can't chip body head. Pussy good, and I need you not dead. Why go down with your hand for your message? Down low, down low, down low with your hand for your message. Down low, down low, down low with your hand for your message. Down low.
So you tell me now, me already I got dead now. And me for live my life for please somebody. Give me away, yeah.
Back shot, 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 back right there. Got it, shot, hey.
Watch to the end.
Judging people based on the high school you're associated with, Girls Edition. Let's get into it. You're stushing at the streets and you're stushing at the sheets. You try to be a hot girl and a demon, but you can't help being a good girl. You're not afraid to make the first move to tell a boy if you take off him drawers. You're sexually adventurous and you're not afraid of exploring things. Wanna just stay out of trouble, mind on the business and deb out. Devil, demon, Leviathan, Lucifer, Satan, Antichrist, Succubus, whoever you want to call it, I want that. You're smart and career driven, but you'll be single the rest of your life. When physically and mentally abusive.
Girl, I love it when we do it, turn you on. Shawty, tell me if I'm wrong. I can see